We good? We live? Is this thing rolling? How's that? A little better? Hold on. Let me adjust this real quick. Let me use nah, it's too thick. Too thick. Fudge, man. Come on. How's that? Oh, damn. We good? What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video, man. Yo, I'm super excited. To all the OGs out there that have been watching from the beginning, you guys know it's bustelo break time. For anybody that's new and doesn't know what the hell this is, so you know, a long time ago, maybe like 6-7 months ago, I used to have these sections, these, I don't know, whatever, this section on my channel where I would come outside during my break from work and I would have my coffee in the morning with you guys, and I would have like a little conversation, and for that day we would pick a topic and we would just talk about that topic, and you guys could ask me questions and write comments and stuff like that in the old videos, and I would answer them in these videos. So I figured I would bring that back simply because I know that the OGs really enjoyed watching that. I know like not a lot of people just like sitting down and watching a YouTuber talk about random crap. Some people do enjoy that, and I figured why not, you know, it's more content and we can make it more of a personal thing so you guys can get more personal with me, I guess, if you guys want to know what's going on in my life, or maybe you don't. I mean, I'm not gonna be mad, whatever. No, but seriously though, for anybody that actually enjoyed the bustelo breaks, I'm bringing them back. I'm gonna try to do one a week or one every other week. We'll see how it goes, but as you can probably tell, I'm trying to be more consistent with my uploads, and I'm trying to put out more content. really, I guess, invest in my my YouTube channel and taking it more serious, because I really enjoy making videos, and you know, that short period of time that I wasn't making videos, I won't lie to you guys, I was pretty sad. I was not, I mean, I wouldn't say I was depressed, but I was definitely in a dark place and I didn't feel like myself. I don't know, I just feel comfortable making videos and I feel good about being able to help people and inspire people. Basically, I'm gonna be just talking about what the plans are for the BRZ, short term and long term, like future long term, because there's a lot that I want to do to the car and there's a lot that I want to do to the channel. So we're gonna dive right into it, and let's get started. So as you guys saw, I got new fenders. I got the Fly One Motorsport fenders. I love them. I have my Avid One wheels, which I got powder coated in bronze with metallic flakes, so they look really freaking dope in the sunlight and any type of light. They look super sick. I rebuilt my BC racing coilovers and I reinstalled them on the car temporarily. I want to switch the suspension to more serious street/track setup. That's gonna let me daily drive the car but still be able to track it, because these coilovers are decent but they're not that road friendly, and they're a little bit uncomfortable, especially on the back. I'm probably gonna upgrade that, and probably the biggest thing that everybody's been waiting for on this channel is a turbo install. And like, no jokes, I've said this before, oh yeah, whatever, I'm gonna install the turbo, but this time it's legit, it's serious. Like, I ordered my clutch came in. I went with the stage 2 clutch by ACT, and I'm sticking to the OEM flywheel. So that flywheel, I'm waiting for it to come in from FT86 speed, and I ordered a couple bushings and a couple mounts for the transmission and for the shifter. So we're gonna do install videos on all those. We're probably gonna just bang out everything all at once. So once all those things come in from FT86 speed and from 86speed.com, I will do the install video for the transmission. We'll do the clutch, we'll do all the bushings, and we'll do all the bushings for the shifter and the mounts that I got for the transmission, and I'll show you guys my reaction to it and how I feel about it and how it drives from my personal perspective. And then from there, I don't know if you guys saw or not, probably not. It seems like all the OGs like stopped watching my videos, and nobody really cares about my videos anymore. But I'm not hurt. I'm not bothered. Those of you who have been watching my videos, the last maybe 4 or 5 videos, I talked about my turbo and all the things that I needed to order for it. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna need to order. I'm gonna need a new oil cooler. I'm gonna need a new oil pan, because the other one got freaking I don't know, the nigga that had it before bottomed out and it's freaking bent like a mofo. And you know, we like our surfaces nice and flat. Unlike our women, we like some curvature to our ladies. But when it comes to oil pan, we need that shit flat as full. But that's pretty much what I have planned for the car. Also, there's like small stuff that I want to do, like I'm gonna probably order some letters for the tires. I have the Indy 500s. If you saw the review, these tires are freaking amazing. Highly recommend them. So I'm gonna do the tire stickers on that. Also, what else did I want to do? I want to rewrap the interior. I just uploaded that video. If not, here's the link. Go check it out. Yo, there's like, I'm telling you guys, this is no joke. It's content season for me, man. I'm going hard. I also want to buy a new camera. I want to buy some better gear so that I can make more cinematic shots. I want to invest more on my laptop. I want to, I want to upgrade all aspects of my life right now, including my health, bro. If you guys are not following my second channel, I have a fitness/lifestyle channel where I talk about my fitness journey and how I'm making hella gains, how I'm losing weight, you know, how I'm drinking a freaking gallon of water every single day, and it's made me the healthiest person. It's made me the healthiest version of myself that I can be. And I wanna inspire people. I have like these moments throughout my life where I watch different YouTubers and I'll binge watch a YouTuber for a long time. And right now the one that I'm watching the most and I'm enjoying the most is Dustin Williams. And it's because he's also in that fitness journey. He's competing, so he's taking his fitness, like, dude, like, look at this. This is for example of like my fitness lifestyle. This is my meal prep right here. Blueberries with protein cereal, and I have my almond milk that I'm gonna dip in here real quick after I record this video, and my protein shake in a bag. So like I'm taking it pretty serious. And if any of you guys are interested in that and you guys need some inspiration to find health and fitness and just live a healthy life, look good and live longer, then go subscribe to that second channel where I'm also posting a lot of content. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I've been talking for what, 8 minutes? I've been talking for 8 minutes? Ah, damn. Ah, damn. That's crazy. I don't know, I'm in such a good mood right now. Even though my videos are not getting the support that they used to get, which I understand. I fell off for a while and I stopped making videos, so I can't expect the OGs to be, you know, right there back and supporting like they were. But I hope the OGs watch this Bustelo break, and I hope, you know, it shows you guys that I'm serious about this YouTube channel and that, yo, this car is gonna be crazy. Oh, long term, this is gonna blow your minds. Long term, I want to do a rebuild engine first, and then once that blows up, I want to do a swap to LS. And I'm saying that right now on everything. On everything, this is gonna be a V8. On everything. And I'm just excited. Like, I know some people might hate, like, oh bro, what the freak, why would you throw a V8 American engine in this, you know? But yo, I have my reasons. That could be another Bustelo break. That's gonna be it for me, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you think this is cool, or if you think it sucks, let me know in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe. Share this with your friends, man. Share this with everybody, and let's just keep the channel growing. Like I said, more content. I'm gonna invest more into the channel, and it's gonna be all about you guys. We hit 7K, man. Like, what? That's freaking crazy. Thank you so much for 7K, man. I love you guys. As always, I'll catch you in the next video, and remember to savage responsibly. Peace out. Oh, there's nothing like some almond milk on a hot ass day like today. Yo, maybe I'll start doing some of these mukbang videos. I see everybody making these muk thingies where they just sit down and eat. I think it's disgusting, in my personal opinion, but I don't know. Some people enjoy that crap. I know I don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The gains? Can you see the gains? I can see the gains. Watch this, watch this. Oh. It's just some good shiz, man.